Howdy ho, guys and gals, it's Red, your friendly neighborhood tool bear, back again here in the Den of Tools. And oh wow, the middle child from over at Home Depot is invading at Harbor Freight. Yep, Ridgid Orange is coming in. At least that's what the signs look like. Let's jump into it, talk about what's going on. Of course, Harbor Freight's been killing it with the wet dry vacs, particularly the Bauer brand here, just slaying it. The 9-gallon one there actually meeting or beating in many tests, including on this channel here, the Ridgid, comparable Ridgid wet dry vacs. That was a stunner of epic proportion there. But you know what? We're kind of wondering, well, where's this all going to go? We got the Bauer wet dry vacs. We got a couple of those small handhelds from Hercules. What's next? And a lot of people ask, well, what about getting the accessories? You know, if I burn through these filters, where am I going to get more replacement filters? Well, our agents in the deep freight core of undercover secret agents have scored a hit again. We got this from the in-store. I think they call it the planogram or something like that. Anyway, this is showing the new display that's coming out that's going to have all the wet dry shop vac kind of accessories here. And if we see, we got all sorts of attachments, and we got the different filters there for Bauer. As you can see down here, number 13, those are Hercules filters, and they look, based compared to the Bauer ones, like they're going to be for comparable size Hercules wet dry vacs, which means we're clearly going to be seeing bigger wet dry vacs from Hercules. That's huge news. But if you look at items 10, 11, and 14, there's 10, 11. That's Ridgid. Those are Ridgid dust filters there, like we see right here over on the Home Depot site. And then number 14 down there, if I'm not mistaken, and correct me if the bear is wrong on this, that sure looks like the premium car cleaning accessory kit from Ridgid. Oh my gosh. Are they really going to sell it in Ridgid Orange? Or maybe these are placeholders. But what I gotta believe at this point is they're placeholders because they're going to be OEMing it from those people. So either we're going to see it in Ridgid Orange, or we'll see it rebranded, but clearly from the same supplier here. Oh my gosh, this is insane. So of course, you know, as I said before, Bauer has been killing it in the wet dry vac with a huge line of stuff. And we've seen a few items from Hercules there, but clearly we're going to be seeing more. This is fantastic. Now, if you think this is the first time that you're going to see, you know, name brand stuff like this, some other big name brand tool or whatever accessory in Harbor Freight, clearly you haven't shopped around the store much. We got Gorilla Tape in the store. There's WD-40 in the store. Meguiar's is in the store. Evapo-Rust. If you look around all the nooks and crannies, especially in the small accessories kind of stuff, you'll often see non-Harbor Freight brands. They're all over the store if you look. So I'm not really, I guess I'm surprised in that it's tied directly into a tool that's a big brand for them, to see them tie those two together that closely. Not surprised to see them going with a well-known brand for the accessories. I do think, though, I would be surprised if they ended up in store not wearing the Bauer Red or the Hercules Blue. But who knows? Maybe in trying to just get stuff in the store, that's the way it's going to show up. But anyway, there you go. There you have it. How many of you are stunned by that? We're going to see what is essentially, Ridgid tools, Ridgid at least accessories, showing up in Harbor Freight stores. I got to tell you, my biggest takeaway, honestly, from all this is that there's going to be bigger Hercules wet dry vacs. That's a stunner in my book. I'm excited to see that. Can't wait to see what they come out with there. Anyway, if you like the content you see here, don't forget to hit the like button there, smash the subscribe, ring the bell on your way out. You all take care. God bless. And as always, shine on.